These are your notes for Unit 4, Day 8 of Calculus. If you would like to see the warm-up, the review question, or any homework questions we covered in class today, just look at the finished notes. So we are going to be reviewing for your Unit 4 test, which will be next class. And so remember, to review for your test, you should review everything we went over in this unit. So you have review problems. You have the worksheet. There's also book work, so if you want to go back from the book and look at some of the book problems, you can look over those. There'll be review problems on Socrative, so you can look at the review problems on Socrative as well. But remember, to help you prepare for this test, you should review all your notes. You should look through the finished notes and any video notes that you need to rewatch. You should look over your exit tickets. And remember, if you would like to see my comments on your exit tickets, you can go on Canvas and then go to rubric and submission and look at my comments. You should look through your homework, the posted finished homework with the answer keys. You should look through that as well if you need to. You should study with the buddy. So remember, the more that you're talking about the math as you're doing it, the more likely it'll stay in your long-term memory. So some concepts that you should definitely remember how to do for this exam. You should know how to do all the different types of Riemann sums. You should know how to do them if you're given a table, or if you're given a function, or if you're given a graph. You should know how to find an integral from a graph. So if I give you a graph, make sure you know how to calculate integrals from that graph. You should know how to find antiderivatives, or how to take integrals algebraically, both indefinite and definite. So how to find indefinite integrals and how to find definite integrals. You should make sure you know how to use U substitution to find indefinite and definite integrals. You make sure you know how to find the average value of a function. You should make sure you know how to use the mean value theorem for integrals and for derivatives. And then for your spiral section, make sure you're remembering how to do limits. Make sure you're remembering how to do derivatives and tangent lines. Make sure you're reviewing your related rates problem. It's been a while, so maybe look through your related rates problems or your optimization problems. Make sure you know when a function is increasing, decreasing, when it's concave up or concave down. Where do you have critical numbers? Where do you have maximums and minimums, etc.? So make sure that you're reviewing all of those concepts in preparation for your spiral section. So there are some review problems below that you can go over in another way to help you prepare for the test. So you've got some Riemann sum problems here. You've got some definite integral problems. And then here is the book work that you could do if you would like to do some problems from your book. You've got the review worksheet that's posted in your modules and in assignments. And then you've got your exit tickets, warm-up quizzes, homework that you should review. And there's probably also problem sets available on Socrative.